Hey guys, welcome back. Promised you a big announcement. Sitting behind me. So let's go take a look at what we got. You eagle-eyed viewers might know what that is. That's an engine. Well, it's not just an engine, but it's an engine and a transmission. So let's take a look. So that, my friends, is an LT2 Corvette engine from a C8 2023 actually, as well as a dual clutch 8-speed transmission that we have here. This is what we're going to put in the McLaren. So a lot of you might be wondering, well, why don't I just wait around for the Z06 or the LT6? The reason for that is because A, I can't get one right now. B, it's not been on the market very long, and so it's probably not worked out all its bugs. And in general, the LT6 is probably going to be incredibly pricey. So I picked this up at a good deal. So I picked this baby up from Schramm Auto in Waterford, Michigan. There's only 4 miles on the clock. Apparently this engine came from a car that got dropped and the frame was bent, and therefore they had to part it out. So I'm getting basically a new engine that I'm going to have to break in. The cool thing is it comes with the ECU as well as the transmission control unit and basically everything I need. And I was able to get the wiring diagram for all these, so I should be able to hook it up and get it running just off on the base ECU. So anyway, big thanks to Schramm Auto. And I will put a link in the description so that you guys can check out some of their inventory if you're looking for something like this for your project. Go and see them. They were very helpful and did everything that they said they were going to do and gave me a great price. So guys, I got out my engine hoist here. We lifted it off the crate. It's there. And then the engine is now on skates, so I'm going to push it under the McLaren. It's the best place to store it, and it turns out that when we fit it, that's where it's got to be anyway. So let's get it done. Whew. It's actually only 950 pounds, but it's still a bit of a beast. But man, compact power plant for having a transmission, 8-speed dual clutch, plus the LT2. And frankly, again, commenting about the Z06 dual overhead cam, I know it's a Ferrari-like engine and belongs in here more than probably the LT2, but you know what? I don't think anybody's ever done this, so this is going to be a fun adventure. and I really know pushrod engines. So yeah, I think that we're gonna forego the supercar sound. I think this engine only redlines at around 6.5. You might be able to push it to 7 with some tuning, maybe some upgraded internals, whatnot. I've seen some folks like Amelia Hartford who did a twin turbo Stingray, and that thing was a monster. I don't want to make horsepower numbers like that. I want to get up to maybe 600 rear wheel, which is what the LT is, 600 LT moniker is for. I know that that's probably in metric horsepower, but it's in the ballpark, so I'm not really gonna split hairs over that. But yeah, on initial look, it's gonna be close. I don't know how much modifications I'm gonna have to make to the frame, but we'll see. Okay guys, so what I did was I put these sticks down here on the axles there, and that's 22.25. This width up here is about 21. So I think we're probably gonna have to take that out in order to push this up in. We're definitely gonna have to take the cats off to get the engine up where it belongs. So, but I don't see any killers yet where I'm gonna have to cut the rear subframe and start welding new parts on. So should be okay, because by the time it gets up over here, that shaft can actually stick into that hole. So that will give us clearance there. So these are just the first rudimentary measurements. Then I'm going to have to fab for this transmission mount. I'm going to have to fab probably an aluminum piece that goes across here and ties into the frame. There's the frame rail I got up there to build off of if I need to. Same up there. So yeah, I think we might just make it fit. Well guys, that's it for this short one. Let me know what you guys think about this abomination. I think this would be kind of cool. So, you know, this car was meant for the trash bin, so I can't assume the purists would be all bent out of shape about it, but you never know. Anyway, I'm going to move forward with it. I hope you guys like what we're doing. I think it's going to be fun. I think we're going to hit some really hard challenges. And then next video, I'm going to talk more about where we are with the 3D printing. We've been printing our guts out, and I've got tons of stuff that have been printed. I also want to show you some things where I used my scanner, my Creality ferret scanner, and replicated some parts that I couldn't find the other side for. So look for that coming real soon. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button and the bell notification, and we'll see you guys next time.